Hi guys, Sarah here with Doing Daisies, doing a Dollar Tree haul. Picked up several things that I'm going to be using for some of my spring and summer crafts. Also a couple of the crafts I'm going to be doing for Christmas in July. First thing I picked up were some of these foam sheets. It's 32 pieces, they're 4 by 6 inches, and several colors in them. They're a little bit thinner than the fun foam you can buy in the craft store, but that's not going to have any effect on what I'm doing. So I think for 32 sheets for $1, this is a great buy. The second thing I picked up are these little tin favor pails. There are 3 in the package, and I picked up 2 of these packages, I believe, and I'll be using these to do some cute little things with for just the patio, summer decor, that type of thing. Now, I do have friends that smoke. They are allowed to smoke out on the patio. I don't like leaving an ashtray sitting out. It's not pretty. So what I got was this jar here, and I am going to paint it so that it's not clear anymore, and weatherproof it so it can sit it on the patio. They can put their butts in it, close it up, and out of sight, out of mind. I can empty it after they leave. So I got this for that reason. Another thing I found, and they may have had these for a while, but I hadn't seen them before, were these cute little salt and pepper shakers shaped like the canning jars with the handles on them. So I picked up a couple of these. These will be cute in the kitchen. I also picked up a couple of the full-size canning jars with the handles on them. And these will be used in an upcoming quick and easy project that I'll be doing soon. I picked up this decanter. I just thought it was really cute, just sitting out on the patio, even if you just put some ice water, some tea or something in it, and are just able to sit out there, relax, and just fill your cup as you go. Picked up a couple of these incense burners. I won't be using those for that. These will become some of the patio decor, and I will be doing a before and after patio video as well as a blog article, so you'll see exactly how these are being used soon as well. I picked up a couple soap refills, and I love the way these smell, especially there's one that's blue. I forget what it's called. It's just such a fresh, clean scent. I have not been able to find the refills on those anytime I've gone in, so I'm not sure if they should have the refills or it's just that popular. But, you know, in any case, these both smell wonderful as well and well worth $1. And they had some of the Tropical Cool Pops, and I got some of these just as a snack that's nice and cooling. When the grandkids come over, they'll have something they can snack on. And I just thought it would be a great thing to have. There's only 16 in here, and I know that you can buy the larger packages in the grocery store, but I don't have any need for 50 or 100 of them or whatever comes in those. So I thought this was the perfect size. I also picked up some garage sale signs. Garage sale season is coming. I know my mom is having one. We'll be having one. So these come with the sticks already on them. They're plastic sticks. The signs themselves are plastic. So and they're not a bad thickness, quality of plastic either. So very well worth it, and they will be well used by the end of the year. Picked up several of these garden fencings, and I'm not really going to be using them in our landscaping as yet. Now we may end up, but I doubt it. These will more likely be cut up and used in some projects because I love the design, and I just think it would be great to have these to use in anything really. And being plastic, I'm sure they are fairly easy to cut apart. They're a flexible plastic, so they would hold up at least for the season in the garden. But as you can see, they are hollow in the back, so they would be easy to cut with using just a little bit of pressure. I picked up 3 of the red roses, that being because we will be having our Kentucky Derby party this year, and I needed some more red roses. And while I was trying to get the roses, this little guy came out, was stuck to the roses, and I thought it was just adorable. So this is going to make its way into my garden. Okay, I found this grill pan, which I absolutely love. We do a lot of grilling in the summer, and this for things like fish, vegetables, like it shows. We can do so much more with the grill with this, and so I had to pick one of these up. I also picked up some grill tools. I picked up these long-handled tongs, and I like those because they can keep you further away from the heat. I picked up the long-handled basting brush. This spatula, and it's got some very sharp, if you can see here, the edging is actually really sharp, so this will come in handy as well, and it's got the longer handle. I picked up these tongs, and it's like a tong on one side and a spatula on the other, and I can imagine for hamburgers, stuff like that, fish, this would make it so easy to pick up and flip. And, of course, the ketchup and mustard holders, which are just so much more fun to get together than just setting out the bottles themselves. So I did pick up a set of these. And for anybody that uses the sponge brushes, I picked up a set of these. There's 8 sponge brushes in here, 3 of the smaller sizes and 1 each of the larger. And I'll tell you what, you can go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or Joann's and pay so much more than $1 for these, and this is a good deal. So absolutely, this is where I'm going to be buying these from now on. I picked up this square floral frame. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but it was a fun shape, and I know I'm going to come up with something. I'm almost imagining using it and embellishing a picture frame of some sort. So we'll see what I come up with for that one. I also got some dog toys. We have our Puck, and he's a mutt, but he loves playing fetch, and so I got him some different items that we can just toss around outside, play fetch with while we're sitting out in the evenings. And he needed some new ones because he tends to, when the balls start getting old, tear off the fuzz. So these big balls for $1, thought was a great deal. I can get rid of some of his older ones. And, of course, this, which will probably make a mess since it's not a solid rope. It's not as sturdy as what you can buy in the pet shop. But he ends up tearing those apart really easily as well. He is a power chewer. So I did pick that up just so he could have fun one afternoon. Picked up this beach ball. I thought it was adorable with a little cool emoticon on it. So pick that up. That'll be fun for the kids in the pool. Picked up some the twist ties that you can cut to any length you need them. They are in the garden section, but I can use these in so many different ways. Although this may end up being used all in the garden this year. I don't know. We shall have to see. I picked up some red crepe paper, again, for the Kentucky Derby party, being the Run for the Roses. We're going to have lots of reds, roses. We're going to have the silver cups for the mint juleps. Going to be making some things for the kids, so they have activities as well. I picked up 3 of these larger cups with the straw. Now, these, I love using these around the house because I am a major klutz, and if I have a glass with an open top, I'm going to spill it when I'm moving around. Now, in the evenings, it's a different story, but I never sit still, so as these things move around with me, they do tend to get knocked over sometimes. So I picked up 3 more of these. And again, just this, I thought this ball, I don't know if you can see it, was just kind of cool looking. So that's going to go in with the pool toys for the kids. And most likely the first time they get it out, it will become a dog toy. But I thought it was cute, and they'll be able to play with that in the pool as well. I picked up a couple of these stainless steel coffee cups. Boy, I hope the lid's in the bag for that one. Anyway, that could be my loss, but I did pick up these stainless steel coffee cups. They are insulated, and the lids just snap on. They don't have a closure for the lids, but if you're into any type of crafts, the stainless steel is great to work with and work on, so absolutely this is going to be something I'll be playing with. And using once in a while as well. Picked up a couple of these little woodcraft kits. They have the cars. I hadn't seen the cars before, or a truck, I'm sorry, but they just come with all the pieces needed to make the wood truck. And this could very easily keep my grandsons busy when they're over for the afternoon. They can put the truck together, then they can paint it. So it could be an afternoon project. All right, again for the patio, they had these Skeeter beaters. They do smell like citronella. It's not super strong, and I've never had the best of luck with citronella candles anyway, but anything helps, and we're going to set these out on the patio and just light them up on summer evenings. Right, I also picked up 3 of these horses, again for our Run for the Roses party, which this year, of course, is going to be the Cinco de Derby. But these are going to be most likely just spray painted silver, or maybe, you know, gold, silver, and they're going to be used as decorations. Right, and digging through the last bag, I did find that missing lid. So we'll stick that back on there. I also picked up, when I got the beach ball, one of these inflatable kickboards, because we don't have a full-size pool. It's larger than a kiddie pool. It does have seats and cup holders in it for the adults, but it is an inflatable pool, so it's not huge. But this, I thought, when the grandkids are splashing around in there, would be fun for them as well. They could just lay on it, do what they want to do. And I picked up a set of these scouring pads. I love cleaning with these. I love doing dishes with these. So I always keep several in with the cleaning supplies, as well as several under the sink for doing the dishes. And lastly, I picked up some of these. They're small pony beads. They're not as big as the regular ones, which is perfect. What I generally do with these, and again, if you go to my blog, dewanddaisies.net, and I'll leave the link below, you will see a project that I did with the pony beads where I actually melt them down and use them to make embellishments for card making and so forth. And that's where those are going to go. Well, that's it for today. I will be doing another... maybe doing another haul video next week. There were several things I had on my list I was looking for that the Dollar Tree closest to me did not have. That being said, the Dollar Tree closest to me is also the smallest Dollar Tree I have ever been into in my life. So I will have to run out at some point to a bigger Dollar Tree and try to find some of the items I'm missing, and then do another haul from there. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you subscribe, be sure you hit that notification button so that you can be informed whenever I put a video out. Bye, guys.